thing was a mess. You can see the paint that is on all these chrome pieces, which is kind of haphazardly sprayed or painted on, lathered on, however they did it. This one is especially bad. All of them. This piece here, you can see this is the early twin cam with cam position sensor hole, and the drain, where the wire used to come out, that was not even plugged. Replace the rear stabilizers. Even the mount plate for the S&S card was busted off of it. The battery box was broken, wasn't even being held on by anything. You can see primary cover. Front of it's painted, but the back of it, I mean, look at the grime and oil crap that was leaking for forever. And then the top of it looked just as great as everything else too. You could tell it was painted. Even these pieces, side pieces, most of them had at least 2 busted off of them, so that they wouldn't even hold. But the end result is this. Let's see. It's got a few nice features to it. It's got an S&S super carb, like actual carb conversion. It's S&S cams and gear-driven cam plate. Gear-driven cams. It's got this makeshift 2009 exhaust pipe 2-into-1 that's welded, so it's not any kind of name brand pipe. It's from like an 09 or newer that was then made. The coolest thing is really this 180 series rear tire. It's got a wider swing arm and a wider tire. They accomplished that by using, I think, a 1-inch drive belt. So this old 2001 Road King has the wide rear end on it.